This is John of ARF and people and Jaja over there. What is welcome in Ilonggo? Now, a classmate of mine has this question. What an apt question, because I keep saying that to you. Welcome to my show. So what is welcome in Ilonggo? There was quite a discussion in our little group chat about this word because there is really no literal translation of the English word welcome to Ilonggo because we say welcome quite differently. Ginaabi-abi ginamon ang inyo pagkari. Nalipay gid kami sa inyo pag-abot. Mabuhay! Dali ka mo diri. Malipayon nga pag-abot. Sadya kay nagabot ka mo. Nalipay gid ko kay ari ka mo. That's why we use a different word for saying welcome in a trite way. Dayon ka mo. Dali ka mo. Sulod ka mo. Dali di. Kaunta. Intra ka. Join us. Upod ta. Kadto di. Kadto di ah. Dali, dali. Sadya ta. Dali. Come. So we have many words to say welcome. Mabuhay! Yay! Ari ka mo. The more I thought about it, the more I realized that welcome to us Ilonggos is more of a feeling than just a word. So when you are welcome, or when we welcome you to our world, to our place, we make you feel welcome. So we don't say it, but we make you feel it. We make you feel welcome. There are two words that are close enough to the word welcome, and these are kari and dayon. Kari in Ilonggo means come, so that's not really welcome or welcome. And dayon is to come in, which is also not really welcome. We just make you feel welcome when we say, kari ka mo, or come over here, or dayon ka mo, come in. So what's the difference between kari and dayon? Kari is more of an enticement or an advertisement or announcement for people to come over, to come to our place. Kari ka mo, meaning to say the people that you are inviting, kari, hasn't come over yet, so you're calling them over to come. Kari ka mo. And when they're already there, like at the entrance or before they really come in at the door, you say, dayon ka mo or dayon ka mo. You can say dayon, meaning to enter, or dayon, to continue. So it means that when they are still coming over, they are coming, that's naga pakari, coming over, or pakari. And then before they get into that place, so when they're there at the sort of a landing or sort of a gathering area, now the host will say, dayon ka mo, or continue to come in. So, dayon ka mo, or padayon. Padayon means to continue. For example, when I say welcome to my YouTube channel, it's not quite right to say kari ka mo sa akong YouTube channel, or come to my YouTube channel, maybe. And then when you're on my channel, dayon ka mo. So that's not quite the right term to say welcome. I believe we don't have a word for that, like welcome to my channel. It's just you're here now in my channel and I just make you feel welcome. So that's our word for today, welcome. I hope I made you feel welcome in my little show. This is Joan of Arf and people and Jaja, I don't know where she went.